When it comes to kitchen appliances, a reliable blender is an essential tool for anyone who loves to create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, or even soups. However, finding a blender that combines power, versatility, and durability can be a daunting task. Enter this Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, a powerhouse appliance that promises to deliver professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ninja BL610 is a standout choice for both novice and experienced home cooks alike. Imagine this. You've just returned from a long day at work, and all you want is a refreshing smoothie. You gather your ingredients, ice, frozen berries, some greens, and toss them into your blender. But instead of a smooth, creamy drink, you're left with a chunky, inconsistent mess. Sound familiar? The problem with most blenders is that they lack the power and technology to handle tough ingredients, leaving you frustrated and your drink unblended. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender is designed to solve this very problem, offering 1,000 watts of power and innovative total crushing technology to ensure smooth, consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its 1,000-watt motor. This powerful base is capable of crushing ice, pulverizing whole fruits and vegetables, and blending even the toughest ingredients with ease. Unlike other blenders that struggle with dense foods or require multiple attempts to achieve the desired consistency, the Ninja BL610 delivers smooth results in seconds. Whether you're making a frozen drink, smoothie, or pureeing vegetables for a soup, this blender handles it all with professional-grade efficiency. Think about the last time you struggled to blend a tough ingredient. Now imagine effortlessly creating perfectly smooth results every time, thanks to the Ninja BL610's powerful 1,000-watt motor. No more stopping to stir, shake, or re-blend. Just consistent, professional-quality drinks and dishes with every use. What truly sets the Ninja BL610 apart from other blenders is its total crushing technology. The unique design of the blades allows them to pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. This technology ensures that you get smooth, consistent results, whether you're making a smoothie, frozen drink, or even crushing ice for a cocktail. The blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, making it easy to create everything from silky smooth green smoothies to thick, icy margaritas. And because the blades are made of high-quality stainless steel, they stay sharp and effective even after repeated use. Imagine the frustration of taking a sip of your smoothie only to find unblended chunks of ice or fruit. With the Ninja BL610, that's a thing of the past. The total crushing blades ensure that every ingredient is thoroughly blended, giving you perfectly smooth results every time. It's like having a professional-grade blender right in your kitchen. Another feature that makes the Ninja BL610 a top choice is its XL 72 ounces pitcher. This large-capacity pitcher is perfect for making drinks and smoothies for the entire family. Whether you're hosting a party or simply making a big batch of your favorite smoothie, the 72 ounces pitcher has you covered. With a 64 ounces max liquid capacity, it's ideal for making large quantities without having to blend multiple batches. Picture this. It's a hot summer day, and you've invited friends over for a poolside party. You want to whip up a batch of frozen margaritas for everyone, but your current blender can only handle small quantities at a time. With the Ninja BL610's XL capacity, you can blend enough drinks for everyone in one go, saving you time and effort. Let's face it, cleaning up after using a blender can be a hassle. But with the Ninja BL610, cleanup is a breeze. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so you can simply pop it in the dishwasher after use and forget about it. This convenience is especially appreciated after making a sticky smoothie or a batch of soup. After creating your delicious smoothie or frozen drink, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing the blender clean. The Ninja BL610's dishwasher-safe pitcher means you can enjoy your creation without worrying about the cleanup. Just toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. When you purchase the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, you're not just getting a blender, you're getting a complete blending system. The package includes 1,000-watt motor base, the heart of the blender, delivering powerful performance for all your blending needs. 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher. The large capacity pitcher is perfect for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Total crushing blades. These powerful blades pulverize ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds, giving you smooth, consistent results. Recipe inspiration guide. Need some ideas to get started? The included recipe guide provides inspiration for creating a variety of drinks and dishes. You might think that a blender with this level of power and technology would come with a hefty price tag. But the Ninja BL610 offers professional-grade performance at an affordable price. It's an investment in quality and convenience that will pay off with years of reliable use. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone who just loves a good frozen drink, this blender is worth every penny. When you purchase the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, you're not just buying a blender, you're investing in a high-quality kitchen appliance backed by a trusted brand. Ninja is known for their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, and the BL610 is no exception. The blender comes with a manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. You can be sure that this blender is built to last and deliver consistent results for years to come. Choosing a blender is about more than just power and performance. It's about trust. With Ninja, you're getting a brand that's known for quality and reliability. The BL610 is a testament to Ninja's commitment to creating products that make your life easier and more enjoyable. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender is more than just a blender. It's a game changer in your kitchen. With its powerful 1,000-watt motor, total crushing technology, and XL capacity, it's designed to handle all your blending needs with ease. Whether you're making a smoothie, frozen drink, or soup, this blender delivers professional-grade results every time. Don't wait. Click the link below to purchase the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender and start enjoying perfectly blended drinks and dishes today. Join the many satisfied customers who have already made the switch to Ninja and see the difference professional power can make. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.